A vertical tower is surmounted by a flagstaff of height h meters. See, there is a vertical tower AB. It is surmounted by a flagstaff whose height is AC is a flagstaff whose height is h meters. At a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a flagstaff, bottom of a flagstaff and top of a flagstaff. The angle of elevations of bottom is alpha and the top is beta. We need to find the height of the tower is, we need to prove that height of the tower is h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. So we need to find x. So this is tower, this is flagstaff. So flagstaff is h meters, tower I am considering it as x meters. So we need to see total when we'll take in the problem, like total value will become x plus h or h plus x, total will become h plus x. Now this BP or PB I'll consider it as y. Now I'll take two triangles. One is PBA, triangle PBA. In PBA, theta is here alpha. So tan theta, if we'll take opposite by adjacent. So tan alpha is opposite. Opposite is AB and adjacent is PB. So theta is here alpha. So tan alpha is opposite is x by y. Next, in triangle PBC, tan theta, if you take theta as this beta, opposite will be like h plus x and adjacent is y. So tan beta is opposite is BC and adjacent is PB. So tan beta opposite is like h plus x. BC value is h plus x by y. In this both we have y common, so you can take like write in terms of y. So y equals x by tan alpha. This you make it as equation 1, and here y equals h plus x by tan beta. This is equation 2. So from this both the equations, see, if we'll change, like if we'll equate x by from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, x by tan alpha equals h plus x by tan beta. If I'll cross multiply, x tan beta equals h plus x tan alpha. Now see here, we need to find x. We need to find height of the tower, which is nothing but x. So x tan beta equals h tan alpha plus x tan alpha. Now as we need to find x, bring both the x terms together, like, so that you can take x common. X tan beta minus x tan alpha equals h tan alpha. Now in these two terms, if you take x common, tan beta minus tan alpha equals h tan alpha. Now see, next step we need to find x. So x equals, from here, x equals h tan alpha by x, see, x into this one. So this if we'll transpose, so it will become like tan beta minus tan alpha. If we'll transpose this, tan beta minus tan alpha. Therefore height of the tower is height of the tower, which is AB. is h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. H tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha.